Yeedi delivers massive savings on robot vacuums during official Amazon Prime Day 2026. New product preview: C14 PRO PLUS. C14 PRO PLUS launches under $300, promising accessible, value-focused, self-navigating cleaning for shoppers, prioritizing cost over maximum automation. New product preview: M12 Gen 2. The M12 Gen 2 debuts as an affordable, capable robot vacuum aimed at budget-conscious, first-time owners in smaller spaces. Great mid-range choice: Yeedi S16 PLUS. S16 PLUS sits mid-range, combining strong suction, smart navigation, and omni station maintenance for families upgrading older robot vacuums. Most advanced model: Yeedi S20 Infinity Ultra. S20 Infinity Ultra adds Yeedi's newest technologies, enhancing automation, navigation, and drying performance for early adopters, prioritizing cutting-edge features. Best for whole home cleaning: Yeedi S20 Infinity. The S20 Infinity targets demanding whole home cleaning with advanced navigation, obstacle avoidance, strong suction, and substantial Prime Day savings. Best balance of features and price: Yeedi M14 PLUS. M14 PLUS brings OZMO Roller mopping and ZeroTangle hair management with omni station automation, balancing performance, convenience, and affordability. Best premium cleaning system: Yeedi M16 Infinity. M16 Infinity pairs strong suction with intelligent mopping and automated docking, ideal for busy, larger, smart homes needing minimal upkeep. Best overall value: Yeedi S14 PLUS. The S14 PLUS offers powerful vacuuming, advanced mopping, and self-maintaining dock, delivering exceptional flagship-level value for budget-minded households.
Go to GearBrain for more information.